Okay, so this is a cattle prod, and we're gonna take a look at it and see what it even is. I'm not gonna be prodding any cattle anytime soon, but let's see what's in the box. There we go. That's not the best way to open it. Okay, so this is what a cattle prod, I guess, looks like. It looks like this, and holy mackerel. So I guess you go, and it's extendable, and you can push the buttons on it here, and you can do that. It looks like it's rechargeable. Not exactly sure how it works, but comes with a little charger, comes with the prodding device, and you have your livestock prod. So if you have some livestock, you can do that. The power switch, make sure to turn off the power. I guess the power switch is down here. So that's gonna be the power. It looks like it's on right now. Yep, there it is. And then I heard a little tick. I guess this is ticking it. And then we have a light, and we have our little level indicator there, I guess. But that's how you would do that. I'm not gonna be prodding anything, so that's how this works though. Interesting little thing. So if you've got some wild dogs or something like that, it might be good to keep nearby, or bears or something like that. So, cool.